What's up guys, welcome to this another tutorial. For today's video I am going to show you how to save photos to Google Drive on iPhone. But before that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So without further ado, let's start. So to save photos to your Google Drive, make sure to download the Google Drive app from the App Store. Okay, so simply look up the application and select to download the free app. Next is to open up the app and make sure to log in with your Google account. After that, tap on the plus icon on the bottom right and select to create a new folder. So rename it to your preferred name and select create. So next is to open up the folder and tap on the plus icon again and select and upload the photos and videos. After allowing Google Drive to access to your photo library, you can go ahead and select the photos and videos you wish to save to your Google Drive. So after your selection is done, tap on done and the app will proceed to save your files. This limit access to photos files will be accessible from your PC, Mac, or other device which supports Google Drive. Now on your folder, tap on the three dots and you can select copy link, and you can now add or share it to people through their email address. So if you prefer to automatically backup and sync your photos to your Google Drive, then you should make use of the Google Photos app. Again, you can look it up in your app store and download it for free. So you can just open up the app and allow Google Photos to access to your photo library. So here it is. We just have to wait for Google Photos. Okay, just select access to all the photos and click allow. And then after it, just make sure that you are logged in with your Google account before proceeding with the backup. Now, if you don't want to back up all your photos, then make sure to open up your settings application, and from here scroll down and tap on privacy, limit photo access. In your privacy settings, tap on photos and make sure that Google Photos is only allowed to back up selected photos. Okay, next proceed with your selection of photos for Google Photos, and after selecting which photos to save to your Google Drive, you should take a look at view photos and then the camera settings to make sure that your photos are viewable. To do that, in your camera settings, tap on the camera right here and then tap on the formats. Here in camera settings, make sure that you are using most compatible as your camera option. Okay, just let's find out. Okay, so after that, back in your camera settings, tap on record video to change your recording preference, reducing the format to 1080p and frame rate to 30 will decrease the space required and the upload time to your Google Drive. Okay, so in case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, you can comment down below. And thank you guys for watching. See you again on the next one. Bye.